Hey everybody, it's Tyler, aka Show Me Fly Guy. Hey, I am back with part two of trying to refine a streamer pattern that has a 3D printed head, and this is a follow-up to the last video that had this streamer, 3D printed head, marabou back, bucktail belly, and I like that a lot more so than the rabbit strip back, bucktail belly. But I think I found something a little bit better. It was with the craft fur. And I think I found the optimal design. Threw it in the tester tank. I want to know what you think. But check it out. I like it.